Hello. Today, we're going to be talking about how to manage assets with Facility View. As you can see, we have different facility layouts, but in this video, we're going to be going with Springfield plant. Let's click on that. When we click on it, as you can see the whole overview of the facility view. We can see all the specific assets with their asset ID. As you can see specifically, for example, this asset is called COM004, right? The greens are, means that we don't have any problem. They're all active, they're all available. And the rest are, they're unavailable at the moment and that there's a problem going on. As you can see, we have the option to zoom in. And we can see different trucks as well. As a truck to one with their name. For example, we have the option to, when we go to the, it's all interactive, as you can see. We have the option when we go to the specific for this asset, COM004, let's click on it. When you click on it, you can see this description and the status. As you can see, status is down. We can also create a work request for this asset because there's a problem is going on. We can either create a work request or we can create an item request. We have both that option. Below that, you can see the outstanding work requested. We can also see the open work orders. As you can see, there's 3. If you want to create the work request, you can simply click on it, and that will take us to the work request page. And if you want to create an item request, we can do that as well by creating an item request, and that will take us to the item request main page. Thank you.